Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new winged horse pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose and snout. Let's start with an angled line down here. Then from the end, we're going to curve it down. And then bring it back in at the end. Next, let's draw the left eye. Above the nose here, let's draw a curve down. And then a curve on the left to close it off. Next, let's color the eye in black. Next, let's draw the right eye. Let's draw a circle here. And let's color this eye in black as well. Next, let's draw the top of the head. From above the left eye, let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and we're going to stop right about here. Next, let's add the ear. Let's start with a curve out to the right, and then another curve back down, to form a curved V shape. Now let's connect the lines at the bottom with the curve. Next, inside, let's draw two more curves like this. Now let's finish off the shape of the head. From below the ear, let's draw a curve down. Now from the bottom, let's continue this line down, and we're going to curve it up under the snout. Next, let's draw the hair on top of the head. On top in the center, let's draw a small curve up like this. Now above this line, let's move over to the right, and we're going to draw a curve down to the left, stopping above the eye. Now from the end, let's curve it up and then angle it up again and back down, stopping just above the ear. And now from the end, a small curve down. Next, let's draw another piece of hair over to the left. Let's start over on the left side, and we're going to draw an angled line down like this. And then from the end, let's curve it back up into the head. Now let's move over on the top right, and we're going to add another piece. So let's start here and draw a curve up, and then curve it down, and then flick it back up at the end. And now let's curve it back into the ear. Next, let's add another piece at the very top. Let's start by drawing a line up, and then we're going to curve it over and back down. Let's add a few more pieces on the bottom right now. Let's start with an S-shaped curve down like this, and then curve it back into the ear. And then another piece below it here. Now inside this piece, let's add another curve. And lastly, one more smaller piece below like this. Lastly, for the head, let's draw the other ear. Let's hop up on the left side, just above the eye, and we're going to draw two diagonal lines under the hair here. Next, let's draw the right wing. Underneath the head on the right, let's draw a curve down. Next, let's draw the top of the wing. From the top of the line, let's draw a curve out to the right and then up. And then let's continue that line by curving it down and up towards the right. Now from the end, let's follow that same curve all the way back in like this. Now from underneath the left side, let's draw a curve down like this. And now let's add 5 more bumps going upwards to the top of the wing. Next, let's add the set of feathers underneath. Let's start on the left side and we're going to draw a line across. And then let's add 4 bumps going towards the right. Your last bump should end right underneath the 3rd bump above it. Next, from the end, let's draw the first feather by going out like this. Then at the end, let's angle it up and then curve it back in. Now let's draw 2 more feathers in the same way, getting bigger as we go up. Now let's finish it off by drawing a curve from the top down like this. Next, let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start under the left side of the head and we're going to draw a curve down and then curve it down towards the right. Now let's continue this line by curving it up under the wing. Next, let's close off the top of the body by drawing a curve on top of the wing to the head. Now above the wing here, let's draw an S curve up like this and then back down for the tail. Next, let's move over to the left side and draw the other wing. Starting from the left eye, let's draw a curve over to the hair and then continue it over and up at the end. Next, from the end, let's curve it back down to the nose like this. Now from under the center of this line, let's draw 5 bumps down to the snout. Next, let's draw the set of feathers underneath. Let's start from the top and we're going to draw a curve down and in like this. Now from about halfway, let's draw an angled line out, then add a curve at the end, and then bring it in. Now let's draw 2 more of these rectangular shaped feathers going down and getting smaller as we go. And then to close it off, let's draw 4 curves into the body. And that's it for the body and the wings. Let's add the feet next. Let's start under the body and we're going to draw a curve up and back down. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Now above this foot, let's draw a curve up to the body like this, and then another one to the right. And then on the right, an angle up and back down like this. Now let's draw another foot to the right and slightly lower. And again, let's draw the hair on the hooves. So let's draw an S curve up and back down. And then a smaller one underneath on the right. Now let's draw another foot in the same way above it to the right. And for this foot, let's add a third piece of hair on the top here. Lastly, let's draw one more foot behind. Underneath the body, let's draw a curve down like this, and then behind the hair, and then back up. And then one more curve on the right, up to the body. And that's it for this cute winged horse pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!